Damn it, I cannot believe I got grounded for singing class. What should I do? I have an idea. I am going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let's do this crap. All right. I'm in the basement. Now to destroy the washing machine. There. Look how perfect. That is right now.
Oh my god. What was that noise? Dark Sandping, what did you just do to the washing machine?
Yes, I did.
Dark Sandping, how cloud you destroy our washing machine. Now we need a washing machine because of you. You're grounded for 16 weeks. Get out of my sight right now and I don't want to see you again.
Okay, nice Puffping. Sorry, nice Puffping.